Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram music not showing. So it's very simple. If you're experiencing music not showing on your story, reel or post, and you want to put the music but it's not showing, it's very simple on how you can fix it. First up, let me show you. If you go to your photos and you take a picture, and then you go to music, and then you cannot find the specific type of music that you wanna upload and it's not showing. There's an easy fix to it. So some of y'all use a business account, and as you know that creator and business account cannot use most of the songs. So what you can do is just go to account type and tools, and right over here you'll see the option of switch to professional account if you're on a personal account. But let's say you are on a professional or creator account, then you'll see the option of switch to professional account. So you just gotta go ahead and switch your account to private account. Just like mine is personal, you gotta be on personal account and not to be on professional or creator account. So if I switch to professional account, my account will basically won't be able to show some of the music. So you got to be careful with that, and just switch your account to personal account. And this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you. I'll see you soon in the next one.